Hi fam, Random Chick here. Today we're going to be doing the Kickstarter accessory bundle that I got in the mail. These are the Kickstarter accessories that is exclusive only for the backers. So this right here is the enamel pin. I'm going to show you all this out of the package. We did, however, get 2 dolls. So we got 2 Kickstarter accessory packs. And this is how I wanted to leave one in the package to show you how it comes packaged. What I didn't like is it did come through the regular mail. So yeah, it come in a box like that. The box was kind of dented, so I hope that they take drastic measures to make sure that our dolls don't get dented. But as you can see, they bubble wrapped the knife inside of here. Not, to me, it's not very good packaging, but nothing got damaged, so that was a plus. So let me move this package that's unopened to the side and show you the stuff that we got that is open. So these 2 are exclusive items. This is the Trick or Treat Studios Good Guy doll sticker, and as you can see, it is the good guy off of the side of the van on the movie, which is absolutely stunning. I love it. So there's that. That's the sticker. And it's about, as you can see how big it is. If I move it to the palm of my hand, it's pretty big. It's a pretty big sticker. So that's that. This is the enamel pin set. And this is going to be a very rare item because let me show you the back. So there's the pins on the back, but this is why it's going to be a very rare item. Limited edition of 1,750. So there's only 1,750 of these made. That's how rare this item's going to be. And it's in Fright Night, or Fright Rags is the one that made this, and they glow in the dark. And it's the good guy feet with everything on it. I mean, that is just amazing. And if you want to see the back, I love how they got Chucky's picture right here. There's the back. Now, I'm not going to take this off, so if you have trouble reading any of that, I'm sorry. But yes, so there is the set. And this right here is your knife. Now, the header card was also an exclusive. From what I've been told, when you buy this on, and I love how they got Chucky's nose bleeding. When you buy this on the site, you could, the knife itself is not an exclusive. You can buy the knife itself on the site. And this is the voodoo knife from Child's Play 2. So the knife itself is not an exclusive. You can purchase this, but this header card up here will not come with it on the site. So that's the front of the header card, what it looks like. There's the header card. Now, let's flip it over. So here is, if it'll focus, here's the back of it. And here's the knife itself. Now, this is a pretty huge knife. I'm not going to take it out of the pack, but just to show you how big it is. I mean, there's my hand around the handle. This is a huge knife. I did notice that some of the paint is chipped a little bit. If you can see that on the tip of the blade. Right there is some chipped paint. But all in all, I love this. I could probably fix the chip paint by repainting it. There's a lot of chipped areas. That's near the handle part, and as you can see, the black is chipped. Right there is scuffed up and chipped. Oh, let me get it to where you can see it. Right there on the handle, the edge of it is chipped. So it's not really painted well, guys. and it's made out of foam, but it's like a really hard foam. So that's a good thing. The knife itself is not sharp. It's just completely made out of foam. I love the knife. I just didn't like the paint chips. So these are all the items that we got exclusive with the Kickstarter. The only item that is missing is the holograph sticker on the box, which will tell us which doll ours is off the line. And that's going to be very rare in itself for us to have that sticker and, you know, our doll be numbered. But this is what we got so far in the accessory bundles that comes with the doll. I'm also gonna include pictures and updates of the newest updates that Tots have. I'm gonna go ahead and link that in the video now. I hope you enjoyed the new updates that Tots has brought out, and I hope you enjoy everything that I've showed you in this video. Like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.